you're missing the point. We don't fish for the fish. 90% of what I like about this sport, and it is a sport, is sitting in the boat for 5 hours doing nothing. And the icing on the cake is when God smiles on you and you hook one. And then when you're reeling it in, everything else falls away.
All right, check it out. Gonna do a bit of a crazy adventure. Gonna on pork chop behind me. Gonna ride up to the northwest coast on Vancouver Island, and it's late August, so the salmon should be in the inlets, and I've decided to tow my kayak with all my fishing gear. So yeah, really looking forward to this adventure. Let's get on the bike. Well, this is it. Beautifully quaint Port Alice, British Columbia. Just made it past Zebelos. There, looking back, that's the little town, the little village of Zebelos. And the inlet's like really brown right now. I don't know what that's about, but there's the Zebelos Inlet. And we're gonna ride through these mountains, up and around, then back down, up and around, back down. There's two inlets. Esperanza and then Eliza Inlet, and I want to camp on Eliza, but this right here is Zebelos Inlet. On my proposed route, I just found this deactivation, and I was like, oh, I think I could probably get around that. It's not, it's not dug out too bad on the other side. But then right up there, they took the bridge out. So I'm definitely not making it through there. This was supposed to be my route down to the water. So I'll have to turn around, which is not easy to do with the kayak back there, but we'll manage and try the other. There's two other roads on the other side of this river that's going into the inlet that go down to the water. Hopefully one of those will get me down. All right, 7:30. Found a wicked camp spot. Of course, I couldn't get down to the beach on the other side because of a road deactivation. I still don't even know if I could have got down all the way to the beach. It's pretty steep, but I found another road that got me real close. I got a beautiful view of the Eliza Inlet. I'm gonna set up camp. And no kayak fish tonight. I might try and walk down, fish off the rocks. I don't know. I'm going to be losing light pretty quick. So, but I think the plan is I can see some fish surfacing out there. So tomorrow morning, I'll tow the kayak back to the log dump, and I'll put in there, and I'll probably have to paddle out in front of my campsite here and fish in front of the campsite. If I get on some fish, I'll stay. If not, I might pack up and try and go somewhere else. so I picked up these bad boys. Bacon wrapped tenderloins, pre-seasoned. They're vac packed or whatever. And I always bring tinfoil with me. What I do is I wrap them in tinfoil and I'll just chuck them in the side of the fire there, just in the coals. And I don't know, where's a good spot? Oh, that's a hot fire. Let's go like that. Might be a half drink and then flip and then finish the drink and pull them out because that's hot. Alright, let's see how the little tenderloins turned out. They smell amazing. Oh. Oh, I don't know. They might be underdone. I didn't bring a fork in. Nope, that's perfect. Look at this. Just woke up. It's beautiful out. Now there's 2 bears down there. See them? 1 black dot, 2 black dot. We now have 3 bears down there. One, you see that one in the background moving, the furthest one away. The one right by the beach, right by the water, and one on the rocks moving down towards the water. There's another one right there. Just heard a big black bear over there flipping rocks on the beach. I'm about to launch here. Get my stuff ready. There he is. Hey, go away! Looks like he's gonna mosey along. Well, that was pretty close. Had my bear banger. I only have the one with me. They're everywhere. Riding down here, I could see, of course we're watching them from the campsite, but I could see them across on all the, because the tide's low on all the tidal flats. Probably saw half a dozen. It's going down in the water. Be able to see lots from the kayak when we get out there fishing. That other one's up behind me, I can hear them.
Although I didn't get any salmon that I was after, I had an incredible trip and came home with some cod, which I fried up in the deep fryer. See you guys next time. Keep it pinned.